Recommended construction of watertight bulkheads in ships as per SOLAS regulations. Watertight bulkheads are critical structural components of ships designed to divide the hull into separate compartments, prevent the spread of flooding, maintain stability, and enhance overall safety. The International Convention for the Safety of Life at Sea, which is SOLAS, specifically Chapter 2, Construction, Subdivision and Stability, sets out mandatory requirements for their design, construction, and arrangement. One is the core purpose. The primary objectives of watertight bulkheads under SOLAS, which is flood containment, restrict water ingress to limited number of compartments, case of hull damage, ensuring the ship remains afloat and stable. Structural integrity, reinforce the hull against bending, twisting, and hydrostatic forces, contributing to both transverse and longitudinal strength. Fire safety, act as a barrier to slow and spread of fire and smoke between compartments. Cargo and space separation, divide areas for different types of cargo, machinery, and accommodation. Two is key construction requirements. Is materials and structural design. Materials typically constructed of steel or other approved ductile materials with sufficient strength, durability, and resistance to corrosion and hydrostatic pressure. Alternative materials are permitted only if these meet SOLAS standards for watertightness and safety. Plating and stiffening. Plating thickness increase with depth to withstand higher water pressure. Bulkheads are reinforced with vertical stiffeners, horizontal stringers, or corrugations to prevent deformation. Collision bulkheads require additional strengthening to absorb impact forces. Watertightness, all joints, welds, and penetration must be designed and tested to ensure complete watertightness up to the bulkhead deck. Arrangement and positioning, all ships must be fitted with a minimum set of watertight bulkheads. Collision bulkhead located at the bow, it must be positioned not less than 5% of the ship length or 10 meters from the forward perpendicular, not more than 8% of length or 5% of length plus 3 meters from the forward perpendicular. No openings are permitted below the bulkhead deck except for a single pipe penetration for ballast systems. After peak bulkhead encloses the stern tube and propeller shaft area in the watertight compartment. Machinery space bulkheads fitted at both ends of the main engine room to separate it from other areas. Additional bulkheads, the number and spacing depends on the ship's length, type, and service. Passenger ships require more frequent subdivision to meet higher safety standards as measured by the factor of subdivision. Openings and penetrations. General rule, openings in watertight bulkheads should be minimized. Where necessary, these may be fitted with watertight doors or closures that can be operated quickly and reliably. Watertight doors must be designed to close effectively under all conditions. For large ships or those with high subdivision requirements, doors must be power-operated and controllable from a central position. Pipes and cables penetration must be sealed with approved glands and fittings to maintain watertightness. Testing and service. Testing, bulkheads are subjected to pressure test during construction to verify watertightness. Surveys, regular inspection and service are required under SOLAS to ensure that bulkheads remain in good condition with no damage, corrosion, or defects that could compromise their integrity. 3 is special considerations. Corrugated bulkheads might be used as an alternative to plain bulkheads if they provide equivalent strength and watertightness. Probabilistic standards. Modern SOLAS regulations are probabilistic approach to assess damage stability, ensuring that the subdivision design provides a high probability of survival after collision or grounding. Fire-resistant bulkhead must be meet meet fire safety requirements with appropriate insulation and structural integrity to withstand high temperature for specified periods.